5.
Okay, we're in front. Hold that side. This is dumb as shit. Oh, that's not good. I think it's easier to use the jack. Yeah, let's just do that. Alright, let's do the not stupid way. Okay, I think we just passed some of the teeth. Yeah. Yeah, you have to like hammer the out of the trans tunnel to get it to fit. Okay, shove the ass end of it toward the passenger side. Clutch, we're on the pressure plate. Pressure plate, yeah. I'll hold this down, see if you guys can. Which way does it need to go? Rotate driver, sorry. It's like, yeah, like that. So see these two? You need to line it. Yeah. We're not in the input shaft yet. If anything, we need to do, hold on. Anything, drop the. There we go. We just need to get the trans match more. Okay. Ass end needs to go passenger. Base end is on. Is the input shaft stuck on the pressure plate? I think what it is, yeah, you're not in bed, it's just the heat shield that's over here. Does the rear need to come up more? Front needs to go long. Front needs to go forward, yeah. So, okay, try and work it back and forth and in. Because it's at about the right height now. Oh, there it goes, keep going. Keep finger f***ing it. Keep going. Okay, now we're lifting the engine with it so the input shaft is getting in. Push driver. There. Oh, is that it? Keep going, push it in. Hold on. We're in the input shaft. Yeah. Good old dick twist. The old dick twist. Push the dick! Does the input shaft need to spin at all? Which way is the... It looks like it's pretty it's like pretty solid. I think we're hitting the dowels, not the other way around. You're not quite on the dowels. No? No. Okay. Which way she gotta go? Maybe a little bit. Oh, it's marginal. I stuck my finger in their shifter hole. Whoa. More moist than I was anticipating. Right in the hole. Sorry, it's a little greasy. It's new, I know. Sometimes you really just need to just give me the good old hurricane? Yeah. The old razzle dazzle. Oh, hold it. See, if you're an atypical UTI student, it's the point where you put the bolts in and send it. No, we got 5 minutes. Okay. He's on my car. All of his today. Literally all of it. A bunch of useless shit. That's it? Somewhat, yeah. How small is the car? 128 gigs. Holy shit. Ass end needs to go. Well, we were all wrong. It was nothing. It just doesn't like you. You wiggle and all. Jiggle? Jiggle. Oh boy, there's a lot of. Oh, yep. Yes. Sex, drugs, rock and roll. I sometimes, do some smooth jazz scatting while I'm trying to work. All right. See? What was that? That was 2 seconds right there. That was you're right. Solid suggestion. Yeah, good job. 2 seconds. That sounds like a guy who put 40s in a Tacoma. That sounds like a guy who spent 7 months doing that. Yeah. Sounds like a guy that pulled his transfer case and transmission out twice. Yeah. Because he f***ed his oil pump in the first one. Man, solid work. Hey, Nico, yeah. Your transmission is officially hanging. Oh, I know. That's what. Oh! And a little came out of him. He almost just ended this whole man's career. The Saab, where we couldn't put the clutch in, so we just slammed it into gear. Yeah, we bought this car one time with the clutch not working, so we just put it in gear and push started it and drove it home. $50. No. $50 for the car. In Hawaii? Yes. That's legit. I sold my old car to him that he was replacing it with, so he's like, yeah, I'll sell it to you for $50. I'm like, all right. Yeah. But we tried to bleed the clutch, it went well, and then it just stopped working, and then
we broke the shifter. So then we were shifting it with a screwdriver. That's perfect.
It was a fucking sob, so.
Never registered it.
Yeah, never. And then his dad got super fed up and crushed it.
There you go, sir.
You got 2 bolts in it, we're good.
That's why we got the 6
Oh my.
It's almost like I had
Is that the 13?
It's 14.
Oh, okay.
Everything.
I thought that was the 13 that Nico was looking for the past half an hour. Yeah.
Hey, Nico.
Yeah.
Did you tighten all the bolts? Everywhere?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you put the starter in?
Yeah.
Many hours later.
We just skipped a few minutes while we were gone.
Yeah, quick.
We got the trans in, put the slave in, put the master in.
We did not pay anybody to do this. I promise.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. Fingers crossed.
Grenade some motor. Grenade some motor. Okay. I'll take it. I'll take that. Okay, ready? So this is neutral. That's first. That's manual swap, right?
Manual swap, let's go.
Let's go home. I got a 2-hour drive now.
That's second.
Is there oil in the trans?
Third. Yeah.
Give me a first. Oh boys, this thing was a bitch. Ah! Oily oils, bruh. Look at the kid smile on this kid's face, bruh. Yeah, show him that shifter, guy. Come on, got the camera.
Nice. Check this thing out, man. Fifth is a little, or reverse is a little difficult to get into. I'll get used to it, but man, clutch out. That's so crazy, man. The car is manual, it's running. It moves, it works. Oh, this is so sick. All right, so now we just gotta do the wiring, put everything back together, and we're good, man. Oh, I'm so happy right now. I'm so happy. My camera's SD card ended up completely filling up. I got so much footage that I completely filled up a 128 gigabyte SD card, which is insane. So I hope you guys enjoyed the series. I tried to get as much as I could, but because of that, we ended up running out of SD card space. So it is what it is. Anyway, we're here though. The car drives, it runs, it's great. Just getting some gas really quick. Car drives great. There's still a few little bugs to work out and small little stuff to fix, but you know, it's a fresh manual swap. I mean, I literally just pulled it out of the shop 20 minutes ago. But yeah, we made it to the gas station, drove great. So I'm beyond stoked. I'm super happy. Definitely bugs to work out and little things here and there, but overall, I'm super stoked. The car is manual, and that's what matters. So yeah, I'm really hyped. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was a pleasure to be able to do this, to be able to make these videos, and just, you know, get to say that now I have a manual IS300. I am so stoked about that. It is freezing, and I am really tired. So I'm just gonna wait for this thing to have a little bit more gas in it, and then we're headed home, and I'm showering and passing the hell out because it was a long day. It is 11 o'clock on the dot right now, and I've still got about an hour and 20-minute drive home, so I'm super tired. We started at 9 this morning. I mean, the fact that we got it done in one day is insane though. That makes me really happy. That's super cool. Did a full manual swap, start to finish, in one day. So, super cool. The car is manual. I am beyond stoked about it, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting me. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna put that right here. And yeah, I'm just super stoked. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Shoots.